In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream on YouTube with OBS Studio. Whether you're starting a new gaming channel, hosting a live Q&A, or simply sharing your creative process, streaming with OBS Studio is an efficient and robust option. And I'm here to walk you through the setup step by step. First, you'll want to open up your OBS Studio app. If you're not familiar, OBS Studio is a free and open source software for video recording and live streaming, so having it open is your first step toward connecting directly with your YouTube audience. Look for the OBS icon on your desktop or start menu and click to launch it. Once OBS Studio is up and running, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. You will find a menu item labeled Settings. Click on this and a new window should pop up. This is where we can adjust all your streaming settings. Navigating through the settings menu in OBS can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're here to focus on just what you need. Next, you will want to focus on the left-hand side of this new window and click on the Stream tab. This is where we will configure the specifics for streaming on YouTube. The stream settings will help you directly connect OBS to your YouTube account, simplifying your live broadcast setup. As you move on, click on the Services drop-down menu within the same Stream Settings tab. Here you'll be presented with several streaming options, but for today's purpose, we'll be choosing YouTube RTMPS. RTMPS is a secure streaming protocol that ensures your stream is directly and safely connected to YouTube. Selecting this option helps ensure that your viewers have a smooth, uninterrupted viewing experience. Following that, just a few more steps and you'll be ready to go live. Once you've selected YouTube RTMPS, you'll notice a button that says Connect Account. Rather than manually entering stream keys, clicking this button provides a seamless way to connect your YouTube account to OBS. A browser window will pop up, prompting you to log into your YouTube account. Be sure to use the account you wish to stream from, as this will be the one connected to OBS. And that's it. With your account connected, you're all set to start streaming. Before you start your live stream, do a test run to optimize video and audio settings to ensure your audience enjoys the highest quality stream. By following these uncomplicated steps, you've just set up OBS Studio to seamlessly stream to YouTube. With everything in place, you can now focus on creating amazing live content. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming!